Welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover the fundamentals of a perfect eyebrow tint application. Whether you are a professional refining your technique or learning this skill for the first time, the difference between a good result and a great result usually comes down to preparation and timing. We always start with a clean canvas. This is non-negotiable. Even if there isn't any visible makeup, natural oils produced by the skin acts as a barrier. If you tint over oil, the color will slip and the results will be patchy. Use an oil-free cleanser to thoroughly wipe down the brow area. Once dry, take a clean mascara wand or spoolie and brush the eyebrows into your desired shape. This helps you visualize exactly where the tint needs to go before we even mix the product. Now, let's look at your chemistry. We are using a 1-to-1 ratio of tint to developer. A common mistake is mixing way too much product. You want precision, not waste. You only need a pea-sized amount of tint and an equal pea-sized amount of developer. That is plenty for both brows. Mix this thoroughly in your dish. You are looking for a completely smooth, creamy consistency. If it's lumpy, keep mixing. We want a uniform emulsion to ensure the color develops evenly across every hair. Here's a pro tip that separates the experts from the rest. You need to apply the tint while the mixture is still a whitish tone. If the mix has already turned dark in your bowl, it has already started oxidizing, and it won't penetrate the hair shaft as effectively. You want that oxidation to happen on the brow, not in the dish. Using a flocked applicator, apply the mixture to the hair. Work strictly in the direction of hair growth. We want to coat the hairs, not just stain the skin underneath. Follow the shape you brushed out earlier. Be intentional with your placement. Don't oversaturate or glob it on. Just ensure every hair is coated. Now, we let the chemistry do the work. The processing time is generally between 6 to 11 minutes. Why the range? This depends on the hair texture and the desired intensity. If the client has fine hair or wants a more natural look, lean toward the 6-minute mark. For coarse hair or a bold, dramatic look, give it the full 11 minutes. Trust the process. The tint will look very dark while it sits on the skin. Don't panic. That is normal oxidation. Once your time is up, take a moist cleansing pad or facial wipe. Just like the application, we remove the product in the direction of hair growth. This protects the integrity of the hair and maintains that shape we created. Ensure all tint is removed and check your work. You should see an even, rich color that defines the brow without looking harsh. And that is the standard for a brow tint. Precise preparation, correct ratios, and timed application. Thanks for watching, and go create some beautiful results.